Sutton RV is your Adventurer dealer. Adventurer truck camper model 86FB is 8 foot 6 inches in length with a queen size north-south bed, mirrored double sliding door wardrobe, and ample storage. The Face-to-Face Dream Dinette along with rear galley makes this 8 foot 6 inch camper feel like it has the room of a slide out. This classic style also offers the largest wet bath in an 8 foot 6 inch camper, topped with a large, bright, and airy skylight. This comfortable and convenient model fits all 6 foot and larger short bed and long bed trucks, plus you can add a generator in either configuration, making the 86FB the most versatile truck camper in the industry. Adventurer is waiting for you at Sutton RV, stop number 6339. At Sutton RV, you're gonna like it.